Good morning, children. How are you? I am also fine. So now, today we are just going to discuss some new topics of polynomials, and in that, this time we are now just going to discuss about binomials. Binomials will be studied. Now it's the time to read binomials, and our topic for discussion for today is square of binomials. So topic is cube of binomials, not square, it's cube of binomials. Square we have read. Okay, cube of binomials. So what is that? In this topic we have to understand two formulas there. One is that x plus y whole cube. Term 1, term 2. That means this is the cube of binomials. And the formula is there x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or you may write this also, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Okay, both are the same only. Second formula that we have to study, this is the first one. Second one is that x minus y whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Okay, so in that it is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, or you may say x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Understand here? In the formula of cube, there will be four terms: term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Here also four terms: term 1, term 2, term 3, and term 4. Okay, then what is the difference? See how I will recognize that I have to use here the formula of this cube. So see, there will be four terms, and in that four terms, two numbers will be perfect cube. If first two numbers are there, cube, that means you can consider that we are going to use our cubical formula. So now, from some example, we understand this topic here. So now I am just going to solve 1-2 example based on these two formulas. And then we will discuss how to recognize this. Suppose that they are saying that 2x minus 5y whole cube. Okay, one question is this: minus 2x plus 5y whole cube. Now you will say, so this is a cube of polynomial, and this is also a cube of polynomials. So you can use this formula here only, and this will become here. Here, see, same numbers are there, so we can say here 2x whole cube. It is a minus b whole cube. So minus 5y whole cube, that is equal to, then minus 3 into 2x into 5y into x minus y. Okay, then this minus sign here only. Here this is a plus b whole cube, then a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and this time a plus b. Okay, this is a single cube of binomial. This is also a single cube of binomial there, and then they all are connected by this minus sign. So we have done by using the formula. After this is simply solve on. This will become 8x cube minus 125 y cube minus 3 to the 6, 5 the 30, 30 to the 60, it is 60, x into y into x square y, minus minus plus only, same thing, 3 to the 6, 5 the 30, 5 the 150, then x into y, that means x y square. Okay, then there is minus also, it will become minus this one here, 8x cube. Clear? This is 8x cube. Minus is here only, so this will also become minus 125 y cube. Okay, after that this is plus minus 3 to the 5, 3 to the 6, 5 to 30 to the 60 x square y, minus plus again minus 3 to the 6, 5 to 30, 5 to 150 x y square. Now see how many terms can be cancelled here. This and this is cancelled. This and this one is cancelled only. So your answer is minus 250 y cube minus 120 x square y. This only two terms are left here. So we can write here that these two are my just answer. So understood what we have to do here? If they have given cubes of binomials, we will do it separately, and doing separately in the last we will combine together and we will find our answer. So this is how we have to do our this is what we have to do in this chapter only. Okay, now one more question is there. Suppose that second question is that suppose that they are saying that factorize what 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So cube is there, 8a cube plus b cube. This can be written as 2a whole cube, a cube plus b cube came. So in these two, a cube plus b cube, suppose if I take 3 as a common outside, and a and b are here also, a and b, lowest power is of a is 1 only, lowest power of b is this only. So inside will become 3 for the how much? 3 for the 12 a square b. Okay, 4a plus from ab here 4a plus b. Now sir, this is 2a and it is coming 4a. Okay, and that also 3 to the 6. So we have one more chance. 2 can come outside only from here. So it will become 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into, now 2 will come out from this 2. So it will become 2a into b. So inside will become 2a plus b only. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is equal to 2a plus b whole cube. So either they will give you to factorize or they will give you to expand. No problem, we can do anything there. Okay, so this is your topic of discussion in the chapter here, and I hope you all will understand this very nicely and this will help you in your solving the questions there. Okay class, thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll learn some new topics there.